from where I walked to the other day, that looks like it's come directly from up there. This, I don't know if it was a slide. It don't really look like a slide. It looks like more water, because the farther you walk up, the rocks are more clean. You know, there's not a slide's more like this, like the mud and the roots and stuff. But over here, it's just pure rock, like Colorado rock, and it's clean. And that's what I don't understand. That and the creek that's over here has no damage, and it's 3 times as big as this one. And I just don't understand. There's a lot of things that just I don't comprehend.